In this video, I will show you how you can enable text message notification bubbles on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Messages app on your Samsung phone. From here, just tap on the profile icon. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Messages Settings, then tap on General. Now over here, just tap on Notifications and make sure you enable the toggle for Allow Notifications. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Bubbles. Now from here, instead of None, just select All or Select It Only. Now if you select All, you will enable notification bubbles for all the contacts on your Samsung phone. But if you want to enable notification bubbles for a few selected contacts, just tap on Select It Only. Now after that, just go back to the Messages app, and from here just select the contact for which you want to enable notification bubbles. After that, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Details. On this page, just tap on Notifications, and from here just enable the toggle for Bubble This Conversation. Now after you do that, now if you tap on Bubble Settings for this app, as you can see we have successfully enabled bubble notifications for that selected contact. Now you can do the same thing on all the other contacts on your Samsung phone. But if you want to enable notification bubbles for all the contacts, just select All. Now after that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. Now just tap on Float-in Notifications, and from here, instead of Off, just select Bubbles. Now after you do that, you will enable notification bubbles on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.